Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to turn off screen time without password on iPhone. Let's get started. So unfortunately, you cannot directly turn off screen time without the passcode for security reasons. But you can try signing out of your Apple ID. You can go to the settings and click your name and sign out. This may remove the screen time restrictions. Another way is to reset your iPhone to factory settings, which erases screen time and all data. And if you forgot your screen time passcode, you can go to the settings, click the screen time, and change the screen time passcode. And if you forgot the passcode, just enter the Apple ID and password to reset the screen time passcode. And once reset, you can go back and turn screen time off completely. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.